Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I want to talk about 3 things that have been a game changer for our photography business. And before I made this, I really sat down and thought about, what were those moments to where I'm like, once I learned this, it really, took things to a new level. It really just clicked, and I really seen a difference with us generating more clients, us just being more successful overall with our business. So we're going to talk about that in today's video. All right, let's get straight into it. So the first thing that was a big game changer was learning customer service and really focusing on customer service. And I want to talk about this because I had a moment this year where I really was thinking about our business and just thinking about just how far we've come and just those moments of aha moments, and when things just got more clear and things were really starting to click. And I was reminded, that with photography, it's not about us, it's about the client. It's about serving the client, and it's just all about them and making sure they have a great experience, and we're serving them the right way and giving them what they need. A lot of what we do is customer service based. You're talking to clients a lot. I would say that's like 70 or 80% of the job. It's just that client communication, and you have to understand customer service and just how to talk to people. You're talking to them about outfits, locations, pre-booking, post-booking. So these are things that you really need to understand. And once we understood this, everything just kind of took off. We even seen the difference in just how clients respond to us and what they were saying about, working with us in our experience, and just seeing what they would write in the reviews. So we definitely seen a difference in all that stuff once we started to really focus on this. All right, so the second thing I want to talk about that was a huge game changer was to stop focusing on the technical side. And this is funny because I don't know, I feel like a lot of us, we just focus on just the photo, taking the photos and making sure our photos are great. I see that with a lot of photographers. I've been that photographer. I used to think like that was the major key, like that was the secret. Like I always felt like in those beginning to intermediate stages that I used to tell my wife, like, we just need to take better photos. And if we take better photos, then we're gonna see more success. And we did not see more success. We got better and we didn't see more success because we weren't focusing on the stuff that truly matters. And it's not the sexy stuff. It's not the stuff that, we thought about when we started a photography business. You probably didn't think about this stuff because, you wear many hats. You have to learn about marketing, business, LLC, stuff like that, your business structure, email marketing, websites, graphic design, social media marketing. So when it comes to growth in your business, it's not always just about pictures. And for 2021, let's stop focusing on gear so much. Let's just drop that, especially if you're serious about growth next year. You want to see a huge change within your business. You have to shift your mindset. It's a huge mindset shift, which is hard for a lot of photographers because we're gearheads. That's why we even started this, because we fell in love with gear. Like that's why I started photography, because I was getting very familiar with cameras and using the camera a lot. So I could kind of see why we do that. But you need to shift your mindset and switch to put on your business hat and switch to the business side and really understand the ins and outs of generating clients, websites, marketing, all those things, because they're gonna make a huge difference once you could really grasp and understand those things. So let's stop focusing on gear. Let's start focusing on the business side. All right, so the last thing that was a game changer is just being more proactive. So you also need to get out of the mindset that clients are just gonna come. If you just sit back and wait for clients to come, you're gonna be highly disappointed. You're running a business, and any business person, they hustle. And it's no different because you have a photography business that is still a business, and you need to hustle, be proactive, and go out there and do the work, which is what some people just won't do. So what you need to do is go out here and create those relationships, be in the places that people are searching for photography, or that people in that group may be just looking for a photographer, and position yourself in these groups. And that could be something like on social media, like a Facebook group, just hustling, looking for groups where the type of clients you want to work with are hanging out in that group. That's a way of being proactive. And overall, just networking with people and just putting yourself out there so you're a known photographer and people know about you and that's going to help you get more work, and it could be a game changer for your business. So I want y'all to leave a comment below and let me know what has been a game changer for your photography business in 2020. If you want to learn more about running a photography business, I have lots of videos about that on my channel. I'm going to link them in the description below, and I'll put a video in the card up top that you may be interested in. So I appreciate you for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single week. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.